Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning the solving of few problems based on the concave lens. Today, we will be going with some more problems, children. As since from many days, we are solving the problems, children. First, we solved the problems of the convex lens. Then we came to the concave lens, children. Now, we will be learning about some more problems based on the concave lens, children. Okay? Right. A 50 centimeter tall object. Problem, children. Note down the problem. A 50 centimeter tall object is at a very large distance. Is at a very large distance. Very large distance. Very large distance from a diverging lens. From a diverging lens. Okay. A virtual erect and diminished image of the object. A virtual erect and diminished image of the object. Diminished image of the object is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter. Is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter. Of 20 centimeter in front of the lens. In front of the lens. In front of the lens. How much is the focal length of the lens? How much is the focal length of the lens? Okay, children. Here a 50 centimeter tall object is at a very large distance from a diverging lens. A virtual erect and diminished image of the object. A virtual erect and diminished image of the object is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of the lens. How much is the focal length of the lens? Okay, children. Right. How much is the focal length of the lens? Okay, children. Therefore, here you should note down what is given, children. What is given? Height of the object at 50 centimeter tall object, he said. Height of the object, that is equals to 50 centimeter. 50 centimeters. Okay, children. What type of lens it is, children? Virtual, erect and diminished. Therefore, virtual, erect, diminished always means it is concave lens. Concave lens. Concave lens. Okay. And here, object is at a distance of 20 centimeter. U is 20 centimeter. U is 20 centimeter. U is 20 centimeter. u is equals to 20 centimeter. U is equals to 20 centimeter. Here he is asking what is f. Here he is asking what is f. Okay. Here object height is 50 centimeter. Okay. Virtual erect and diminished image of the object is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter. A virtually erect and diminished image of the object is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter. Therefore, this is the, is it a U or V, children? A virtual image is formed, erect and diminished image of the object is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter. That means here this is V. Here this is V. This is V, children. Now here, okay, and he is asking to find out the f, whereas u is not given. U is not given, children. U is not given. Okay, u is not given. We should find a u as well as the f, children. Okay, right. Okay, coming to the problem, children. Let us see once again. Height of the object is 50 centimeter. Whereas the image distance is 20 centimeter. Focal length is not given, children. Okay, he is asking to find the focal length as well as u also he is asking, children. Okay, children. Here a virtual erect and diminished image of the object is formed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of the lens. Normally in this problem, children, here he is saying that it is the object is placed at very large distance. Object placed at large distance means object is at infinity, children. When the object is at infinity in the concave lens, when where is the image formed, children? The image is formed at focal point. Okay, children, the image is formed at the focal point. Therefore here we should write when the object, we can write this as when the image is erect, virtual and diminished, then the focal length is equal to the image distance, that is equals to 20 centimeter. That is equals to 20 centimeters. Therefore here the focal length is same as the image distance, children. Therefore here V is equals to 20 centimeters, children. V is equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, children. Next we'll go with one more problem, children. That is, an object is placed at a distance of, okay, right. Next problem, children. We'll go with one more problem. An object is placed at a distance of 4 centimeter from a concave lens of focal length, of focal length 12 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. Find the position and nature of the image. Here, children, an object is placed at the distance of 4 centimeter. Therefore here object distance given, children, that is how much? 4 centimeter. here from a concave lens of focal length. Focal length also given children. Focal length is 12 centimeter. He is asking to find out the position of the image and nature of the image. Therefore here this is a concave lens. Concave lens, U is negative, V is negative, F is negative. Using the lens formula, 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, that is minus 1 by 12 is equals to 1 by V minus of minus 1 by 4. That is 1 by V plus 1 by 4 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, here 1 by V is equals to minus plus 1 by 4, moving that side, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. That is LCM is 12, 12 ones are minus 1, 4 3s are minus 3. That is 1 by 4, 1 by V is equals to minus 4 by 12. Therefore V is equals to minus 12 by 4, that is equal to minus 3 centimeter. V is equals to minus 3 centimeter. When V is equals to minus 3 centimeter. Okay children. Here object is at 4 centimeter, image is at 3 centimeters. Therefore here minus indicates, okay, it is a concave lens. Okay children. Now here he is asking the position of the image. In the same way he is asking to find the nature of the image. What is the nature of the image children? Image is formed between concave lens, always same. It is virtual, erect, diminished. Virtual, erect, diminished. Virtual it forms, erect it forms, and diminished image. Okay children. Virtual, erect, diminished image is formed between. Image is formed between F and O. F and O. Okay children. Okay. Right. Remaining we will be learning in the next class children. Thank you. Have a nice day.